Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fluent Avenue X. I'm so happy you're here today. Today's lesson is about good manners and bad manners. We will learn simple English through a fun, real-life story. You will hear useful words, polite expressions, and natural American English that you can use every day. Before we begin, I have one question for you. What simple, polite words helped solve a problem in today's story? Listen carefully because the answer is hidden inside today's story. Stay with us until the end and let's improve your English together.
Hi, Anam. Good morning.
Good morning, Umar. How are you today?
I'm great. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks. Are you ready for lunch?
Yes, I heard there is a new restaurant near the park.
That sounds nice. Let's go.
Great. We can walk there.
Perfect. It's a beautiful day.
Look at all the flowers.
They're beautiful.
Oops, I almost stepped on that little plant.
Good catch.
We should always be careful.
Yes. Good manners also mean taking care of places.
I never thought about that.
Everything around us matters.
You're right.
Here we are.
The restaurant looks busy.
That's okay. Let's wait.
I see one empty table.
Let's ask first.
Good idea. Excuse me.
Hello, welcome.
Is this table available?
Yes, it is. Please have a seat.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
May I have the menu, please?
Of course.
Thank you.
I'll be back in a moment.
That waiter is very friendly.
Yes. He smiles at everyone.
Good service makes people happy.
And kind customers make the waiter's day better.
That's true.
What would you like to eat?
Maybe a chicken sandwich?
I'm thinking about a salad.
That sounds healthy.
And maybe some lemonade.
Good choice. Excuse me.
Yes?
I'd like a chicken sandwich and a bottle of water, please.
Certainly.
Thank you.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Your food will be ready soon.
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am?
I'd like a salad and a lemonade, please.
Great choice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now we wait.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
I hope the food comes soon.
I'm sure it will.
Look over there.
What happened?
Someone left a tray on another table.
That's not very polite.
No, it makes more work for others.
Good manners help everyone.
Exactly.
Oh no!
What happened?
I dropped my fork.
Don't worry.
I almost tried to catch it with my foot.
Really?
Yes, but I almost lost my balance.
That would have been funny.
I'm glad nobody saw me.
I saw everything.
Please don't tell anyone.
Your secret is safe.
Excuse me.
How can I help you?
I dropped my fork. May I have another one, please?
Of course.
Thank you.
Here you are.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
See? Asking politely is easy.
Yes, it's much better than getting angry.
Exactly.
Some people forget that,
Kind words cost nothing.
but they mean a lot.
Our food smells delicious.
It really does.
Enjoy your meal.
You too.
This salad is fresh.
My sandwich is amazing.
Would you like to try a little salad?
Sure, thank you.
Here you go.
It's very good.
Can I taste your sandwich?
Of course.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Oops.
Now what?
A little ketchup landed on my shirt.
Your shirt wanted lunch too.
I guess so.
Here, take a napkin.
Thank you.
No problem.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Everything tastes wonderful.
I'm happy to hear that.
Thank you for your great service.
That's very kind of you.
We'll come back again.
We'd love to see you again.
I'm glad we came here.
Me too.
Today reminded me that good manners are important.
Simple words can change a conversation.
Yes.
Words like please,
Thank you.
excuse me,
And you're welcome.
People smile more when they hear kind words.
They really do.
Let's always remember that.
Deal.
Great job listening! Now here's the answer to today's question. The simple, polite words that helped solve the problems were please, thank you, excuse me, and you're welcome. Today you learned useful everyday English while seeing the difference between good manners and bad manners. You also practiced greetings, ordering food, asking for help politely, thanking someone, and showing kindness. Thank you so much for watching Fluent Avenue X. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Here's today's fun question. Which polite expression do you use the most? Please, thank you, or excuse me? Tell us in the comments. See you in the next English lesson. Bye-bye.